Welcome to Colloki, the ultimate platform for building and managing enterprise AI. Today, we'll show you how to turn complex AI ideas into secure, high-performance agents. Let's get started. Welcome to Colloki. Let's start with a secure login to access your AI orchestration dashboard. Our platform ensures enterprise-level security from the very first click, keeping your data and agent configurations protected. The dashboard provides a high-level overview of your AI ecosystem. Track total agents, monitor conversation history, and analyze usage trends at a glance. Configuration is seamless. Under Channel Configuration, you can define how your agents interact, whether via chat, WhatsApp, API, or voice. The heart of Colloki is the Flow Builder. Here, you can visually map out complex logic, connecting data sources, LLM models, and processing nodes to create sophisticated automated workflows. Test your flows in real time within the playground. Use structured JSON outputs to ensure your agent is delivering precise, actionable data. Performance matters. Colloki Diagnostics analyzes your flows, offering specific optimizations to reduce latency and improve response quality. For deep observability, Colloki Lens provides detailed tracing. Monitor model costs, token usage, and latency percentiles to maintain total control over your ROI. Drill down into individual sessions to inspect inputs and outputs. This transparency is crucial for debugging and refining your AI's performance. Reviewing historical interactions is simple. Access full conversation logs to understand user intent and improve agent accuracy over time. Security is built in. Use our LLM guard and PII filter to mask sensitive data and set guardrails for AI-generated responses. Manage your knowledge base through our integrated file system. Easily upload and organize documents to power your RAG-based agents. Automate your operations with the Task Scheduler. Set specific triggers and recurring tasks to keep your workflows running 24/7. Need a deep dive? Our Learning Hub contains use case galleries and knowledge tutorials to help you master every feature of the platform. For developers, our robust API documentation provides the endpoints needed to integrate Colloki directly into your existing tech stack. Customize your experience with dark/light modes and manage your API keys securely within the settings menu. Finally, our MCP tools allow you to define custom tools and map them to specific agents, extending their capabilities beyond standard functions. Demonstration of the Marketplace Hub shows the process for publishing a new agent, including selecting users, example Pandita, choosing models, example CSR Agent, and defining the target industry/category. Shows a detailed preview of the CSR Agent, highlighting its capability to process clinical study reports with traceable, compliant logic.
The CSR Agent, traceable, ICH-E3.
Visualizes security and governance. Highlights a 92% compliance score, RBAC role-based access control, status, and a live audit trail of user logins. Deep dive into observability. Tracks traces, a total model cost of, and a breakdown of usage between different LLM models. The user returns to the dashboard, showing the agent types, chat versus API, and the conversation history distribution. From creation to optimization and security, Colloki is your complete partner in AI orchestration. Colloki moves your AI from a simple experiment to a mission-critical tool. It's powerful, transparent, and secure. Visit our website to book your demo today. Colloki, AI orchestration, simplified. Build smarter, build faster, build with Colloki.